Hello students, today we are study a new topic, that is topic number 14, compound interest. Okay, what is mean by compound interest in Marathi? सरळ व्याज. आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी मधील प्रकरण क्रमांक 14 सरळ व्याज हा भाग अभ्यासणार आहोत. So what is mean by compound interest? A person take a loan from an institute like bank or Pathapedi with a fixed rate at a interest. Okay, after a fixed interval of time, person give a amount which is more than we take the loan. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण बँकेतून किंवा पतपेढीतून कर्ज काढतो. हे कर्ज आपण विशिष्ट कालावधीसाठी आणि विशिष्ट मुदतीसाठी काढलेलं असतं. जेव्हा या कर्जाची परतफेड आपण करतो त्यावेळी मुख्य रकमेपेक्षा जास्त रक्कम आपण बँकेला परत देतो. जी जास्त द्यावी लागणारी रक्कम आहे त्यालाच आपण इंटरेस्ट असं म्हणतो, म्हणजे त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये आपण व्याज असं म्हणतो. या पूर्वीच्या प्रकरणामध्ये तुम्ही काही सूत्र आणि त्या सूत्रांवर आधारित उदाहरणे सोडवलेला आहात. थोडंसं त्या सूत्राचा आपण उजळणी करूया. The formula you have already studied in previous video, that is R is equal to P into N into R divided by 100. In short, I is equal to PNR divided by 100. So what is the concept of P, N and R? P means principal. In Marathi it is known as a muddal. I is known as interest, means व्याज. N is equal to number of years म्हणजे मुदत. And R is equal to rate म्हणजे दर. In short, in Marathi, interest is equal to PNR divided by 100 म्हणजे सरळ व्याज बरोबर म.द.क भागिले 100. या सूत्रांचा वापर करून तुम्ही या आधीच्या वर्गामध्ये काही उदाहरणं सोडवलेला आहात. आता आपण कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट मधला पुढील भाग अभ्यासणार आहोत. या भागामध्ये आपण काही विशिष्ट रक्कम विशिष्ट मुदतीसाठी घ्यावी लागली की परतफेडीमध्ये जे अमाऊंट असतं त्या अमाऊंट आपण याच्यामध्ये अभ्यासणार आहोत. यासाठी आपण एका नवीन सूत्राचा वापर करणार आहोत. The new formula we have to study in this chapter, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to N. This formula we have to use in solving different examples. In that, the one more formula is I is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, these formulas we have to use in this chapter for solving different example. So let's solve examples. Let's solve example with the help of using this formula. Our example is find the compound interest if rupees 4,000 are invested for 3 years at the rate of 12 half PCPA. Okay, with the help of these examples we have to write the given values in that example. Here value of P is 4,000. Okay, value of P is 4,000. Rate is 12 and half PCPA. And time duration N is 3 years. Okay, and what should be calculated? Interest should be calculated. I is equal to question mark. Okay, in the examples principal is given 4,000, rate is given 12 and half PCPA, time duration is 3 years, and we have to calculate amount of I or interest. Okay, let's solve this example with the help of formula. P into 1 plus R divided by 100 into N. You have to write the formula first, then add the values according to formula. P is 4,000. 1 plus R is 12 and half, that is 12.5 divided by 100, and duration is 3 years. Okay, we have add the values according to formula. Let's solve this example. 4000 written as it is into 1 plus 1 decimal point we have to left into the right side, that is 125 divided by 1000 and raised to 3. ओके, या उदाहरणामध्ये आपण काय केलं, एक दशांश घर उजवीकडे सरकवलेला आहे, त्यामुळे 100 वरती आणखीन एक शून्य झाली. मग किंमत काय झाली, 1 अधिक 125 छेद 1000. याचा जर आपण तिरका गुणाकार केला तर आपली किंमत येणार आहे 1125. म्हणजे बघा 4000, 4000 into 100 into 100 plus 125. The values become 100, 1125 divided by 1000 raised to 3. Okay. Here 4000 written as it is, and when we divide 1125 divided by 1000, the value become 9 raised to 8. ओके, जर 1125 भागिले 1000 ला आपण 25 न भागलं तर उत्तर आपलं येणार आहे 9/8 चा घन. आता ही किंमत आपण काढून घेऊया. 4000 into 9/8 into 9/8 into 9/8. Okay, let's calculate the value. Okay, when we divide 8 by 4000, the value become 500. Again divide 8 by 500 and the total value is 5695. 31 rupees. Okay, these are the amount of total loan given to the bank. So what is the value of I? Here we using the formula of interest, that is I is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, what amount should we give to the bank? That is 5695.31 minus. Okay, what is the principal? 4000 minus 4000. Okay, there is subtraction because 1695. Okay, the value of interest is 1695.31. Okay, let's see this example again. In this example, principal is 4000, rate is 12.5 PCPA, that is 12.5 PCPA. Year is 3 years and we have to calculate interest. Okay, in first step we have to write a formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to N. Okay, in this formula we have to add the values. Principal is 4000, 1 is as it is, rate is 12.5 divided by 100 raised to 3. Okay, in that 4000 is again written as it is, and 1 decimal point we have to convert into the right hand side. So value become 125 divided by 100. So okay, then again 4000 into 1125 divided by 100 raised to 3. If we divide 1125 divided by 1000 by 25, our answer become 9/8 raised to 3. The final value is amount is 5695.31 rupees, and interest, whatever interest should be paid, here using the formula of interest, I is equal to A minus P. The total amount is 5695.31 minus 4000. So our interest is 1695.31. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सुरुवातीला आपण सूत्रामध्ये सर्व किमती घातलेल्या आहेत. सूत्रामध्ये 12.5 मधील एक दशांश चिन्ह उजवीकडे सरकवल्यानंतर 100 वरची एक शून्य वाढली. त्यानंतर यांचा तिरका गुणाकार करून घेतला 1000 गुणिले 1 1000 125 एके 125 मग 1000 अधिक 125 किंमत किती होणार आहे आपलं 1125 भागिले 1000. आता इथे 1125 भागिले 1000 ला 25 ने संक्षिप्त रूप दिल्यानंतर आपलं उत्तर येणार आहे 9/8. आता किती वर्षासाठी आहे 3 वर्षासाठी आहे म्हणून कंसाचं आपण काय लिहिलं 3 असं लिहिलेलं आहे. मग आता ही किंमत आपण लिहिली तर 4000 गुणिले 9/8 चा तिसरा घात आहे म्हणून ते 3 वेळा लिहिलं. आता इथं 8 ने 4000 ला भागलं परत 8 ने 500 ला आणि परत या पद्धतीने आपण भागाकार करून सगळ्यांचा गुणाकार केल्यानंतर उत्तर काय येणार आहे 5695.31. मग आपल्याला इंटरेस्ट काढायचा आहे त्यामुळे अमाऊंट मधून प्रिन्सिपल वजा करणं आवश्यक आहे. ही वजाबाकी किती येणार आहे इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू 1695.31. Okay, hope you understand this example. Now solve one more example. In the next example, the principal is given 2000 rupees, rate is 5 rupees and duration is 2 years and interest should be calculated. Okay, let's solve this example. First we have to write formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n. Okay, we have to add the values in that formula. Principal is 2000 into 1 plus rate is 5 upon 100 and value of n is 2. Okay, then 2000 into, in the bracket we have to take a cross multiplication, that is 100 into 1 plus 5 into 1 divided by 100 raised to 2. Then 2000 written remains as it is. Take a cross multiplication, 100 ones are 100 plus 5 ones are 5 divided by 100. Okay, in first we are solving the bracket. Okay, 100 plus 5 105 divided by 100 raised to 2. Okay, next in that we have to multiply this with particular numbers. We have to divide 105 divided by 100 by 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Answer will be 20. Then what is the value of 105 divided by 5? 5 2s are 10. Okay, remaining is 5. 5 ones are 5. The answer will be 21. Okay, in that we have to divide 105 and 100 by 5. The answer will be 2000 into 21 divided by 20 raised to 2. Okay, again 2000 into the square present in that bracket, so meaning of this square is the bracket value written into the 2 times. 21 divided by 20 into 21 divided by 20. Okay, let's calculate this. Zeros get cancelled. Okay, 2 10s are 20 and 2 5s are 10. The remaining values are 5 into 21 into 21. Okay, let's multiply this. 21 into 21. Okay, 441 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 2. 22. Okay, our final answer is 2,205 rupees. Okay, 2,205 rupees. This is the amount. We have calculated the value of I. So I is equal to amount minus principal. What is amount? 2,205 minus principal is 200. Okay, let's subtract this. Okay, 205 rupees. given to the bank for amount 2000 rupees. Okay, let's see this example again. Here principal 2000 is given, rate is 5 rupees, n is 2 and I should be calculated. First we have to write the formula. In that formula we have to write all these values. P 2000 rupees, 1 written as it is, value of R is 5, 100 written as it is, bracket square. Next step, 2000 written as it is. Here we cross multiplication take place. 100 into 1 plus 5 into 1 divided by 100 raised to square. 2000 again written as it is. Here 100 ones are 100, 5 ones are 5 divided by 100 bracket square. 2000 again written as it is, and the value of bracket inside the brackets are 105 divided by 100. Here the both values get divided again by the 5. Okay, then final answer is 21 divided by 20 bracket square. Then expand this value. 2000 into 21 divided by 20 and 21 divided by 20. Okay, we have to calculate, divide first, 0 get cancelled and divide 20 by 2 first, then divide 5 again by 2. Okay, then remaining numbers are written 5 into 21 into 21. Our calculation or multiplication is 2205. Okay, this is the amount. Then what is the interest? The interest is equal to amount minus principal. So 2205 minus 2000, our interest should be 205 rupees. Okay, let's solve next example. In the next example, the principal given 5000 rupees, rate is 8 PCPA, duration is 3 years and calculating interest. Okay, as usual in the first step we have to write a formula, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to L. Okay, first add the values in this formula. Principal is 5000 into 1 plus rate is 8 PCPA divided by 100 and value of N is 3. Okay, we have to write all values in the given formula. Next 5000 written as it is into, first we have to multiply this. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, remaining is 25. Then what value remains in the bracket? 1 plus 2 divided by 25 raised to 3. Okay, then again 5000 written as it is into cross multiplication take place. 25 ones are 25 plus 2 is equal to 27 divided by 25 raised to 3. Okay, next 5000 written as it is, then 27 divided by 25 written as a 3 times because this is the cube of the bracket. Okay, 27 divided by 25 we have to return in multiplication form in 3 times because the cube present in this bracket. Okay, let's solve example. First we divide 25 by 5000. 25 2s are 15, 200. Next, okay, what is 25 8s are? Let's calculate 25 8s are. Okay, 25 8s are 200. So 8. Okay, some remaining values are present. What is this? 8 into 27 into 27 into 27 divided by 25. Okay, if we calculating this and divided by 100, our answer will be 8 into 27 into 27 into 27 divided by 25. If we are multiplying this whole number and divide with this 25, our final answer becomes 6298.56 rupees. Okay, let's calculate the interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Our amount is 6,298.56 and principal is 5,000. Okay, let's subtract this. The value become 1,298.56 rupees. Okay, 1,298.56 rupees. This interest should be paid by the bank by the principal. Okay, let's see this example again. First, we add all the values in the formula. Value of principal is 5,000. One written as it is. Rate is 8 and divided by 100 raised to 3. Here we divide 8 and 100 by 5 by 4. Okay, 5 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 100 divided by 4, the answer will be 25. Then what is left in a bracket? 1 plus 2 divided by 25 raised to 3. Here we cross multiplication take place in the bracket values. 25 ones are 25 plus 2 27, 25 ones are 25. The bracket answer of bracket is 27 divided by 25 raised to 3. Okay, here the bracket cube is present. Show what is meant by this. This value written into the multiplication by 3 times. Okay, 5,000 into 27 divided by 25 into 27 divided by 25 into 27 divided by 25. Okay, then we multiply 5,000 by the 25 and remaining values are written into the next point. The remaining values are 8 into 27 into 27 into 27 divided by 25. If we multiply this whole number and divide by 25, our final answer is 6,298.56. And these are the amount for us. We have to calculate interest. The formula of interest is I is equal to A minus P. Our amount is 6,298.56 minus 5,000. So interest will be 1,298.56 rupees. Next example, value of P is 3,000, rate is 5 rupees, number of duration is 2 years and interest should be calculated. First we write the formula. In that formula we have to add the values. Value of P is 3,000 into 1 plus value of R is 5 divided by 100 raised to 2. Okay, so 5 2s are 10. The value become 20. Then 3,000 into 1 plus 1 upon 20 raised to 2. Here 3,000 remains as it is. Cross multiplication should be take place. 20 ones are 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 20 raised to 2. Then 3,000 remains as it is into 21 divided by 20 and 21 divided by 20 written in the multiplication form by 2 times because here the bracket square is present. Okay, let's calculate this. The zeros get cancelled. Then 15. Okay, then let's multiply this. 15. Okay, 2 sevens are 14 and answer will be 7.5. Let's multiply all the values. 7.5 into 21 into 21. Okay, let's multiply these values. 21 into 21. Okay, the value become 431. Okay, 431 into 7.5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, next 7 ones are 4 जा 28 plus 2 30. Add these values. 7 plus 5 12. Okay, the decimal point give here. Okay, the final answer is 3232.5. Okay, this is our amount. Let's calculate interest. I is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 3232.5 minus principal is 3000. Okay, our final answer is 232.5 rupees. Okay, interest is 232.5 rupees and amount is 3232.5 rupees. Students, here we are solving some example related to this formula. In notebook you have to solve practice set 40.1. Okay, you have to solve the practice set 14.1. See you in next video with next point.